What's up, humans? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Christopher Mars and I'm a fashion, fine art, and portrait photographer based in Chicago. So we're back for week 2 of my 52-week project, where I will be coming up with a creative concept each week and taking you guys behind the scenes to see the process. I'm doing this pretty much to challenge myself as an artist and to see how much I can grow and just become the best version of myself. You know what I mean? So I got this idea the other day when I was at my friend's photo walk. He's a buddy of mine, his name is Mastermind Photo. Shout out to him. So pretty much we were at the beach and the weather was like this super beautiful, like foggy mist that was going on at the beach, and I was literally, I swear, for a good like 10 minutes just standing there like, you know, looking at this scenery that was just like crazy. And in my head I'm like, oh my god, I have so many things that I could do. What do I want to do? Think, trying to figure your life out, get your shit together, you know, all of the above. But what I ended up coming up with was I pretty much thought of this idea of like a dark prince, and I don't know why I thought of that from looking at the beach, but I guess it was more so like just everything, the color scheme, like how everything was just laid out, and I was just like looking out. But back to the point. So I came up with this idea of the Dark Prince, and pretty much in my head, what I saw was like this figure dressed in all black with like a pop of color. So I'm pretty much thinking the pop color is going to be red. I think, we'll see. But I like saw this figure and I just like envisioned him just like standing on the beach, and instead of like a crown being just like on his head, I envisioned the crown like floating above his head as if it was almost like a halo, like he was sent from above or below or the middle or in between. Who knows? But he was sent from somewhere, and not really sure when it happened. It kind of just like bam in my head, you know? I feel like that happens to some of you guys, but we'll see. Comment below if it does. Hey, we're at the beach right on location. I'm shooting today with the Canon 5D Mark III and my 6.5 lens. This is my Model Max.
I got Max. You follow me at Max on Instagram.
Right here. And so that.
We just like, can we discuss what just happened?
So, we just finished, and let me say that it was an experience, to say the least.
A good experience, to say
It was a great experience.
It was great. It was a great experience, but there was just a lot going on. Like, it was really, really cold outside, so like all of us are frozen, and it was really fucking windy.
Can't really throw your hands.
So the
Windy
crowd
City.
was like all over the place. But overall, amazing shoot. How did you guys feel about it?
I felt great. I felt really cold.
Yeah, everything held up.
Wonderful.
Based off the concepts that I had in my mind, I'd say the photos turned out pretty much exactly how I want it, with just like a little tweaks, which I'm cool with. So yeah, but that's how it is with photo shoots. Like everything, nothing ever goes as planned. So it is what it is. But
we made it work.
Yeah, we made it work.
I find no, seriously, the makeup does look really dope. I feel like it's gonna like read really well in the photographs. So fuck yeah,
High five, Ashley. Follow her.
Follow, subscribe, like.
What's your Instagram?
Silence of the Glam.
And what's yours, Johnny?
At Johnny Louis Photo.
And Max.
Magnificence.
And me at Christopher Mars or at Mars the Martian. And get ready for next week.
Oh, now you did it.